Hey y'all, how we doing? Happy Sunday. Cheers. I'm going to do two recipes for you today. They're both going to be quick and easy. So I got me a piece of ahi tuna here. And with that, I'm going to need some olive oil, some rice vinegar, some light soy sauce, black pepper, some chili flake. Oh, is it out there? It's out there. Sweet Thai chili, whatever it's called, chili and garlic stuff.
Sauce.
And I've got a little piece of ginger here.
No Marianne?
Nope, not today. And we're going to marinate this tuna for, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. Then we're going to throw it in a cast iron skillet and sear it off. And I'm going to put some lemon zest and some lemon juice in the marinade. And then I'm going to have some clams. I got me some fresh Chesapeake Bay clams. There's about 2 dozen in there. And I'm going to need a stick of butter for that. Some white wine. I got a half a dozen cloves of garlic that I sliced up. Got one decent sized shallot that I sliced up. And got us, I don't know, about 1/3 of a head of parsley. And with my clams, I'm going to serve it with capellini and a toasted baguette. This is like, capellini is like a real thin spaghetti. It only takes like 3 minutes to cook this stuff. But man, I love it. I've gotten to where this is my favorite pasta. So, let me get this marinade started with the tuna here. I've got my oven set so I can toast my baguette up. See my tuna. So, we'll start with a little olive oil here in the bowl. A little rice vinegar. And I have no idea on these flavor on these amounts, so I'm just throwing stuff in the pan here, or in the bowl. And I forgot to open this, sorry. And I'm using the light soy sauce because it doesn't have as much salt in it as the regular does. See if that'll come out. No, that won't come out. Try that way. Okay. Bear with me, folks. I guess I gotta open this tight too. Alright, pause this for a minute and I'll come back when I figure this out. That was like a little plunger deal. That's kind of neat. Light soy sauce. How much? I don't know. I quit feeling like pouring. Well, that's good enough. And we're going to put in a little bit of this. I don't need a lot of this because I know there's some heat in it. Shake that up first.
This is for me, isn't it?
Yep. Chili garlic sauce. Yeah, you said you wanted some flavor, so that's what you're going to get.
Well, I don't want hot.
I didn't say you did. I'm just going to put like 1/8 of a teaspoon in it. And yeah, I'm just winging this recipe. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Do you ever?
A little crushed red pepper. Don't need a lot. Some black pepper. A zest of some ginger in there.
That smells good.
And I probably could have used more ginger, but I don't know. Probably could have used more of everything. I don't know. Get all that off there.
That's a glass bowl. You could break it real easy.
So that's just a little lemon in there. I love lemon zest and stuff. It really gives a lot of flavor to things.
It smells good.
And with you don't need a lot to flavor a dish either. Good enough of that. We'll squeeze a little bit of that in there. Give this a whip. And put our tuna in there. We eat quite a bit of this tuna here. It's good stuff. Tara said she wanted it different this time, so I'm making it different. That in there like that. Turn it around, over, in and out. Get it all coated. Then we just let it sit there and get happy for 10 or 15 minutes while I work on my muscles. So let me get this mess cleaned up and then we'll be right back. Okay, my skillet should be hot. First I'm going to put just a little touch of olive oil in there to keep my butter from burning. Put a stick of butter in there. Chop that up a little bit. And just let this butter melt. Then we're going to come back and put our shallots and garlic in there. Turn this fire down just a little. Shallots and garlic going in. Stay out of there, lemon. And I'm going to let these go for just about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Then we'll be back. Okay, this has been going about 90 seconds. You can smell the garlic and the shallots. Now we're just going to dump a bunch of white wine in there. And at this point I'm going to turn my heat up just a little. Squeeze in a half a lemon. A little fresh cracked jack. At this point we just want this to come to a boil. When it boils, it'll cook that alcohol off and leave us with some good flavor. So when this comes to a boil, we'll be back. Okay, it's been boiling for a little bit and it's reduced just a little. So at this point we're going to put our clams in. Give them a good mix. Put the lid on it. Let them go till they all open up. I'm going to put my pasta in the water now, and when these opened up, we'll be back. Okay, there's my pasta. See, all my clams is opened up. So we dump all them in there. Come on, cooperate, cooperate. Dump some garlic out of there. Put some parsley on top. Stir that around a bit. Yeah, I know, I'm a messy cook. A little more parsley couldn't hurt. So there you go. Clams a la Keith. So let this cool off a little bit, and then I'll make me a little plate and taste it. And let me get the skillet going for Terry's tuna, and then we'll get that done. So there you go. Be back in a few. Okay, my skillet's hot. Trying to get this tuna out of here. I got this on a pretty high heat. We're going to let that go for 45 seconds maybe, and then we're going to flip it over. So, we'll be back in a second. Okay, I'll get a flip, and it'll be another 45 seconds or so, and then tuna will be done. So, we get Terry a plate made, and get me a plate made, and we'll be back to show you what we got. Okay, that's what I ended up with. Clams and capellini. That's a toasted baguette.
Here's mine.
Yeah, there's Terry's. She got her a bed of lettuce, and she got her hunk of tuna on there, and a piece of baguette, a couple of clams. She's been digging into clams already.
They're good.
You think? Terry never had clams like this before. She likes them fried, but she never had them like this. So I thought, well, it'd be something different. So, come on. Cooperate with me. I know I should have a spoon, but I ain't real Italian, so. Dip the baguette in the juice. Try a clam.
Good, aren't they?
I'd rather have mussels, but
No. I don't like mussels. These are good.
So, try your tuna. Let me know how it turned out. It should be pretty rare, so.
Probably too rare. Oh yeah, that's too
Tuna
rare.
can't be too rare.
Yes, it can. That's not done enough for me. Good.
Huh?
It's good.
Yeah, tuna can't be too rare. So that's what we did today, y'all. I'm gonna go finish eating. Y'all have a good one. Have a good week. We'll see you next time. Cheers.